Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best drums for kids is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to introduce your child aged 9 to 12 to the world of music, offering a fantastic outlet for creativity, energy, and rhythm development that can last a lifetime. Number 5. Best Choice Products 3-Piece Beginner Drum Set. This drum set is perfectly sized for children aged 3 and up. It includes all the essential sounds a beginner musician needs to start learning. The carefully shaped wood shells create stable resonance. Enjoy a warm, dynamic tone with these beautifully crafted drums. Assembly is a breeze with all the necessary hardware included. A single drum key is provided for final adjustments and future tuning. Each drum shell features a bright, smooth finish. This not only ensures easy upkeep but also preserves the sound quality for years to come. This complete set includes everything needed for fun jam sessions. It comes with toms, a bass drum, cymbal, sticks, pedal, and a cushioned stool. What we like. This is a fantastic starter kit, perfectly sized for younger children. Its all-wood shells provide a warm, resonant sound. If you have a very young beginner or are looking for a complete package with everything included, this is a great choice to get them started right away. What people say. These mini drums have real plywood shells and heads tension. Even the cymbal sounds alright. The sound quality is surprisingly good. The throne, stool, is the perfect height for her, and the entire set feels very sturdy and well made. It was super easy to put together, and the quality is amazing for the price. Number 4. MUKIKIM Rock and Roll It CodeDrum. Introducing the MUKIKIM Rock and Roll It CodeDrum, a revolutionary portable drum set designed for both kids and adults. Get ready to make some noise. This electronic silicone drum pad features a vibrant rainbow design and a play-by-color rhythm booklet, making learning fun and intuitive. It's perfect for beginners who want to rock out. Recognized as a Toy of the Year winner, this practice drum pad set offers both battery and USB power options, along with headphone connectivity for private jamming sessions. Take your music on the go. It includes multiple drum sounds, demo songs, and the ability to record and playback your performances. Connect your MP3 player for even more fun. Despite its portability, it boasts professional electronic drum set features, including designated pads and pedals for a realistic drumming experience. It's foldable for easy storage and transport. Suitable for all ages, simply grab the included drumsticks, follow the color-coded booklet, and start your rock and roll journey. Anyone can be a rock star with this amazing instrument. What we like. This electronic drum set offers incredible portability and a unique learning experience with its color-coded system. It's perfect for practicing anywhere, anytime, and even includes headphone output for quiet sessions. If you need a space-saving, modern drumming solution that makes learning fun and accessible, this is the one. What people say. You plug in your headphones and play the drums. Yes, you can hear the person hitting the pad, but it's not as bad if you had a real drum set. It's great it comes with headphones, so they can be played without bothering others. The color codes on the pads are an awesome idea. Number 3. Music Alley 3-Piece Kids Drum Set. Introducing the Music Alley 3-Piece Kids Drum Set, a perfectly scaled-down version of a professional kit designed just for young musicians. It's everything a budding drummer needs to get started. Unlike flimsy plastic toys, this drum set is built with quality wood, metal, and tunable skins. Experience the authentic sound and feel of a real drum kit, made just for them. This kit includes all the components of an adult set, but sized perfectly for smaller hands. It offers stability and precision with features like a 14-inch bass drum and secure lugs. We've included an adjustable, padded drum throne for maximum comfort. This allows for longer, more enjoyable practice sessions, accommodating different playing styles. Get ready to make music right out of the box. This complete package comes with durable drumsticks and all the essentials for their musical journey. What we like. This is a real, scaled-down drum kit designed for young musicians, offering an authentic feel. Its high-quality wood and metal construction ensures durability. If you're looking for a genuine drumming experience for your child that feels like a professional kit but is sized for them, this is an excellent option. What people say. The drum set is a great starter kit for beginners, offering a good range of sounds and easy-to-use controls. The build quality is surprisingly sturdy for the price point, and the included accessories like drumsticks and a stool make it a complete package. My child loves the interactive learning features, which have helped them develop rhythm and coordination effectively. Number 2. Mendini by Cecilio 5-Piece Junior Drum Kit. Introducing the Mendini by Cecilio 5-Piece Junior Drum Kit, perfect for aspiring musicians. Get ready to make some noise and have a blast. Crafted from high-quality wood and metal, this drum set boasts a durable construction and a stunning metallic blue finish. Its vibrant appearance will add a dazzling glow to any room. Play with confidence thanks to its stable design. Featuring a triangular fixation structure and anti-slip rubber feet, it stays put no matter how hard you play. This complete kit includes everything a beginner needs: bass drum, tom drums, snare drum, hi-hat, cymbal, drumsticks, and an adjustable seat. You'll be ready to play in no time. While it arrives unassembled to ensure safe shipping, putting it together is a breeze. A detailed video guide makes setup easy, so you can start enjoying the joy of rhythm right away. This 5-piece junior drum set is designed specifically for entry-level drummers. It's the ideal all-in-one solution to kickstart their musical journey. What we like. This 5-piece junior drum set offers a dazzling metallic blue finish and a very stable design with anti-slip feet. It's a fully functional kit perfect for entry-level drummers. If you want a visually striking kit that's built for stability and provides a complete drumming experience for beginners, this is a solid pick. What people say. This is a real drum kit, it is not a toy. It is just a scaled-down version, and it looks and sounds amazing. The quality is very good, the wood, hardware and tools are excellent considering the price. The snare is adjustable, and the kit comes with a tuning key for the other heads. Number 1. Best Choice Products Kids 5-Piece Beginner Drum Set, Black. This drum set is perfectly sized for children between 2.5 feet and 5 foot tall. It's a great way for them to start learning at an early age before moving to a larger model. The shells are made of wood, producing a rich and dynamic tone. They also offer a beautiful aesthetic that complements any room. Everything you need is included in this set. It comes with all the drum parts, a stool, and drumsticks, so they can start playing immediately. The shiny, high-gloss finish not only looks great but also protects the drums. It helps keep them in good condition and prevents wear and damage. It's never too early to introduce children to musical instruments. This set helps them learn the basics of rhythm and music, building comfort for a future standard size model. What we like. This is another excellent all-in-one kit, perfectly sized for children to learn the basics of rhythm. Its all-wood shells produce a rich tone, and it includes everything needed to start playing immediately. If you're seeking a comprehensive starter pack that encourages early musical exploration and comes with all accessories, this is a great value. What people say. High quality and perfect size for my tall 6-year-old. Sounds amazing, it's the perfect height and the stool adjusts. I know he will be suing this for a few more years. Material is great. This is a high-quality drum set, very well made, easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.